everything. I mean, that's my understanding. Of course, each one of you may have different things, but I feel when the stickiness goes, then that means it's going. And sometimes you get rid of it in your dreams also. Sometimes you have a dream, you'll keep continuously having a dream in which, say, some fear is played out, in different sceneries. It can be anything. But then finally, in the dream only, you'll start overcoming that fear. So in your dream only, sometimes you work out those difficulties that you have, of any kind of difficulties that you have. Sometimes in the dream, first you'll be having a dream, you don't know what to do, you're helpless, things are getting after you, and then suddenly after sometimes you'll start overcoming those difficulties in your dream. So these are signs for people who are practicing, to understand that yes, even the mind is overcoming these fears in the dream state, in the subconscious state. And then slowly they fade away, and then there is nothing left after that.